Hello, my fellow birdies. How are you all? I am Nimi the nightingale. I am a bird.
You have mouth to eat and speak. I use my beak to eat and sing. People say I have a very sweet voice. You kids have feet to walk on earth. I have wings to fly in the air. I use my feet and claws to perch on a branch of a tree. Today I want to share a secret with you. I found a very beautiful necklace and I want to give it to a kind person on earth. So come with me, my friends. Let's find a kind person in No Sound Story. Hello kids, today we are going to learn a new phonic sound. Are you excited? Let's see which sound that is. This is No sound story. The name of the letter is N and the sound of this letter is And the story begins with, this is Nutan nurse, Neha, Naveen, Mr. Naresh, the grandfather, and this is Nimi, the nightingale, who is looking for the kindest person on earth. So story starts with, Mr. Naresh, the grandfather, was reading a newspaper under the tree. The grandfather is sitting on the chair under this tree. Naveen was getting ready for the school. This is Naveen. He ate noodles and some nuts. Naveen is eating noodles and these are the nuts. He wiped his hands with a napkin. This is a napkin. He wiped his hands with a napkin. Neha came out in her night suit. Neha is wearing night suit. She came out from her room. She is wearing this night suit. She started reading numbers. The numbers were written on this board. She started reading the numbers. It was time for grandfather to take an injection. Grandfather is not well and this Nutan nurse, she is taking care of grandfather. She is taking very good care of grandfather. She is a very kind lady. The nurse came out with an injection and a needle. Suddenly, she saw a nightingale on the tree near its nest. Nightingale was carrying a necklace in her beak. She gave the necklace to the nurse. Nightingale thought that this Nutan nurse, she is taking very good care of grandfather. She is a kind lady, so I should give this necklace to this nurse. She gave the necklace to the nurse and the nurse was very happy. So students, in this story, you learned a lot of sound words. The words that begin with phonic sound Let's see which words are those. First, grandfather is reading newspaper. Grandfather is reading newspaper. Naveen, the name of the child, starts with He is eating no noodles and no nuts. He wiped his hands with no napkin. Neha came out in no night suit. She pointed at numbers. Nutan, nurse. She took needle. She saw nightingale. No, nightingale. Nightingale was sitting near its nest. She was carrying a necklace. So students, these are all sound words. Let's practice how to write this phonic sound. But before practicing new sound, let's practice the previous sound we have learned so far. Till now, we have learned 13 phonic sounds. The first phonic sound was A as in apple. B as in ball. K as in cake, candle. D as in doll, duck. Then this is E as in alligator, elbow. Then this is as in fox, frog. This was g, g as in girl, got. Her as in horse, hen. This was e as in igloo. This was j, j as in joker, jacket. This was k, k as in kite, kettle. This was l, l as in lion, lemon. This was m, m as in monkey, mango. And now we are going to learn First, small line down, go up, take a round, come down. Small line down, go up, take a round, come down. Small line down, go up, take a round, come down. Just like in m, you made 2 humps. In n, you will make only 1 hump. N is a small brother of m. So, small line down, go up, make a hump, come down. Small line down, go up, take a round, come down. Small line down, go up, take a round, come down. Keep on saying as in nose, as in newspaper, as in nuts, as in napkin, as in numbers, n. Now let's do this interesting worksheet on sound story. Tick, write the pictures that start with n sound. This is nuts, nuts, right. Nose, 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 right. Mangoes, mangoes, not it's m, not n. So this is cross. Newspaper, news, right. Necklace, necklace, So this is right. So students, did you enjoy this sound story? Very good. Then do subscribe RJ Learning Fun because learning here is always fun. Coming up next, which sound? No, I will not tell you. Watch the next video to find out. We are going to do the story on which phonic sound. Till then, bye. Thank you. Take care.